In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your chrome from this to this using Plastidip. Stay tuned. So my nephew Jake was asking what the easiest way to black out chrome was, and I told him Plastidip. And I decided to make this video to show him how to do it and show you guys how to do it, so enjoy. First step, I'm going to clean everything off with fuel alcohol, get all the glue or dirt or anything else off. I did 15 minutes between coats. Next, we'll start spraying these parts. On the first coat, you want it to be very light, and whenever you do it, it almost looks like it's not even covering the part. But that's just the way the stuff works. This is the kit of Plastidip. This is what I use to do this video. So on the second coat, you still want it to be fairly light, but just maybe a little heavier. So on the third coat, you want full coverage. Be careful not to go nuts and have paint runs, but you definitely want it to be good and covered. The fourth coat was the final coat I did. I was satisfied. A lot of people would do 5, 6, 7 coats. But yeah, I made a nice thick coat here. Careful not to put enough on it to make it run, but I thought after this coat it was fine for me. This is the final result. I was very happy with this. It came out way better than I even expected. If you liked what you see, please hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Also, feel free to leave comments down below. Thank you for watching.